Hello, everybody, and welcome to my home. We wanted to reach out to you as members of our community to let you all know that we're thinking about you and we're working hard to support you. We wanted to start a regular communication out to our community. So who's the we? First, I'm Roly Russell. I'm the elected rep for rural Grand Forks, and the mayor, Brian Taylor, and myself are sharing this communication. I'll turn it over to Brian momentarily. We have a group of local leaders coming together informally to support directives of the provincial and federal governments, to identify information needs, and to identify what groups are in best position in our community to fill those gaps. Our Regional Emergency Operations Center is active now at a level 2 and navigating the pandemic response, particularly playing a strong local support role for the provincial EOC and Interior Health. The province, supported through Interior Health and in turn by our EOC, are directly managing our emergency response. Our role here is to communicate, reassure, and to identify local support gaps that we think need filling. I'll pass the mic over now to my colleague, Mayor Brian Taylor.
Brian Taylor, Mayor of Grand Forks. Welcome to my home. I've been in isolation now for 7 or 8 days and doing quite well, being safe. Please go to your regional and city websites for information on updates on service delivery and for key information. There are things changing by the moment, and that would be your best up-to-date source of information. Currently, there are 3 relevant orders for our community from the province in terms of the provincial authority. One is isolation of 14 days if you've been out of the country and returning to Canada. No gatherings of over 50 people, although I would really encourage people not to gather at all. I think clearly that distancing makes it difficult for us to justify any gatherings of any size. Number 3 is the closure of bars and limitations of restaurants and takeout and delivery. These are the kind of rules that are not optional, they have to be obeyed. For our business community, the chamber, the community has been working hard to support a press release and a website that will be live later today. This is a recovery plan, excellent work that prepares the community for springing back from this disaster. Local businesses have stepped up, and we now see in our communities grocery stores offering delivery, financial institutions offering to relax payments, and a lot of support from individual businesses to one another. Our community social services are still up and running. There's major impact on all of those services. A lot of them are having difficulty coping with the pressures that this is creating in our community. So please, one request, take some time today to pick up the phone and call a neighbor or a friend. And echoing those messages from Roly, clearly reaching out to people is going to be part of staying healthy in this crisis. We'll be back on Monday with another update focused on supports for economic impacts. Stay safe, reduce transmission risk, keep physical distance, and keep in touch with each other.